Now, the Shiba Inu coin price action, it may not be very interesting right now. The price might not be exploding higher, but the burns. People continue to burn Shiba Inu coin. And right now, it's easier than it has been in a very long time to burn SHIB because, of course, the price is lower than it has been in a very long time. With Shiba Inu coin sitting down here at about 1,400 points per coin, it's going to be an easier burn process, absolutely. But everybody wants gains. Right, we want gains. We do want gains, and we are starting to see Shiba Inu coin bounce back. I don't know if a bottom is in yet. We're gonna go over some of the statistics. We're gonna go over these burn numbers, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got 1,464 points per coin on Shiba Inu coin. We've got 3 green lines in a row. Shiba Inu coin is starting, it's trying, it's wanting to make a comeback. Now, of course, we still haven't recovered this 1 day's losses right here, and I do believe that Bitcoin is going to be a heavy force as to whether or not Shiba Inu coin is able to recover. Bitcoin sitting right here at this 200-day exponential moving average, wicking down to the 200-day simple moving average yesterday, trying to bounce its way back up, but wicking up and starting to come back down again. So a lot of traders heavily focused on what Bitcoin is going to do next. In all sincerity, if Bitcoin falls through this level of support, we may be all the way back down to $70,000 before we see a horizontal level of support on Bitcoin. 70,000 is kind of that major level of resistance that we faced all of 2024. So knowing that it was such a strong level of resistance, we may have a very strong level of support on the way back down to that $70,000 area. So our eyes are on Bitcoin. Shiba Inu coin is watching Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu coin investors, good news, are burning Shiba Inu coin. It says the Shiba Inu coin burn rate soars 1,500% as 30 million SHIB have been removed in the last 24 hours. Community-driven initiatives, including SHIB, fueled the spike, contributing to a 14% weekly increase in the burns. Shiba Inu coin saw an enormous spike in the burn rate, increasing by 1,500% in the last 24 hours. The burn process, which involves sending Shiba Inu coin tokens to an inaccessible address, permanently removes them from circulation. Now, according to data, 30,156,987 SHIB were burned within a day, significantly outpacing the previous week's rate, which saw 142 million Shiba Inu coin removed. Token burning is a common practice, and we get it, removing from circulation. It says 719 billion SHIB outflows linked to whales. Now, this is very important. It says alongside the burning trend, a massive 719 billion Shiba Inu coin outflow from large holders or whales were recorded over the last 24 hours. And just to let you guys know, the Shiba Inu coin team did not burn the Shiba Inu coin. I cannot stand these articles that say it has anything to do with the ecosystem team. It does not. They're not burning Shiba Inu coin. Data from Into the Block indicates that these large outflows could signal 2 possibilities. Either whales are selling off of their holdings during a period of market volatility or simply withdrawing SHIB from exchanges for storage. I don't know any whales that go out there, withdraw off of exchanges to simply sell on a decentralized exchange. Typically, when they are withdrawing off of these exchanges and you see an outflow from centralized exchanges, it is so that they can hold longer term. The safety of holding in a decentralized wallet, especially when you're talking about millions of dollars, the safety as opposed to allowing that to be lent to these centralized exchanges and in the custody of these centralized exchanges is why a lot of these whales move decentralized instead of staying on centralized exchanges. Why trust a company to hold your multi-million-dollar portfolio when, of course, if they decide to go bankrupt, they're going to keep your multi-million-dollar portfolio as debt to them. It's insane. We saw it with Voyager. They're going to try it with every other company that tries to go bankrupt. So centralized exchanges are not as safe as decentralized exchanges. Please know that. So Shiba Inu coin does see positive news. We've got a lot of good burns out there happening right now. We've got a lot of good news. The technical indicators are showing you that Shiba Inu coin may be finding a bottom in this 1,300 point per coin range. We simply have to deal with the emotion. And the emotion is as high as it has ever been. If you come out to CoinStats and look at the Fear and Greed Index, you can see right now that there's a level of 20 extreme fear on the chart. And to put this in perspective, we have not seen a level of 20 in the last year. Now, unfortunately, the Fear and Greed Index only goes back with data for a year, so we can't see what it was prior to that, what it was at the bottom of the bear market, and I don't have access to it on CoinStats here. Of course, we can look it up on other, I guess, websites in future videos, but CoinStats, this is the lowest level of confidence, or the highest level of fear that we have seen in the last year. CoinMarketCap is painting a very similar picture. Guys, the CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed Index, a level of 20. A level of 20 is also right on the cusp of fear and extreme fear. This is the lowest level that we have ever seen on CoinMarketCap. It goes back to the middle of 2023. Prior to that, guys, 26 was the lowest level of fear that the CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed Index had seen, or the highest level of fear, I guess, lowest level of confidence. It was the lowest indicator, right? On September 6th. We are now well below that level. Think about it. Bitcoin is at 85,000, and now people are more afraid than when Bitcoin was trading at 53,000. To me, it doesn't make sense. To me, people are overreacting. To me, it is way too emotional, which to me leads to major buying opportunities. If we don't have any significant negative information found out there, if there's no fundamental catalyst that should be driving the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies lower, it's emotion that is taking over. And that is exactly what we are seeing. If you come out to CoinMarketCap, you can see that the overall market cap of the crypto space is down 1.95% over the last 24 hours. Volume is up nearly 20% to $154 billion. But meme coins are trying their best to hang on, just 0.35% higher on the day, but as you can see, extremely volatile, going from a $55 billion market cap back up to a $58 billion market cap, but Bitcoin may be curling back over, which we absolutely have to keep our eyes on. We began to wick up today, but it's a wick. We need a green candle to show some signs of life in Bitcoin at this 200-day exponential moving average. If Bitcoin begins to fall back down again, I imagine that Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the meme coin market will continue to fall back down again, following Bitcoin to these lower lows over the last couple of months. Strength, courage, all of these are things that you shouldn't really have to worry about when investing. But it's obvious that retail investors feel emotion like never before. And it's obvious that this fear is driving prices lower. Ignore the fear. Invest on logic. If you believe that cryptocurrency will grow, ignore what is happening in the short term. Focus on the long term. I want to know what you guys are doing with it all down in the comments below. If you need a place to accumulate, the KSEX exchange is an excellent place. You guys can buy Bitcoin, Shiba Inu coin, meme coins on up to 100x leverage. And of course, I have been doing a lot of videos lately on Solixi token. Make sure to check this one out. It's a layer 2 blockchain being built for Solana. This guy's got a lot of potential ahead of him, especially during a bull market rally. Let me know what you guys are doing, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.